Assalamu alaikum viewers, Hussain lectures में खुश आमदीद. The total amount of energy converted into living tissues in a given area per unit time is called primary succession, no secondary production, no primary production, yes. A considerable geographical area where the climate is relatively uniform, though often modified by physiographic features, is called global community, no microstand, no biotic province, yes. The succession that occurs in dry soil and rocks is usually called hydrosery, no samosery, no halosery, no derosery, yes. The border between forest and grassland is an example of ecotype, no artifact, no factor composition, no ecotone, yes. The species in particular habitat that indicate a special conditions of that habitat or environment is called ecotype species, no microclimate, no ecological indicator, yes. So third option is right one. The conversion of pond to climax forest community is an example of xeric succession, no meseric succession, no hydric succession, yes. Second option is right one. The range of environmental conditions which a taxon can tolerate is called dominance, no abiotic factors, no halophytic range, no ecological amplitude, yes. To coexist in the same habitat, species must specialize by partitioning a shared resource and using different portions of it. This kind of specialization is known as competitive exclusion, no commensalism, no immensalism, yes. Competition occurs when two species share a available food in a large amount, no available space in a large amount, no limiting factor, yes. Limiting resource is correct option. When a palatable prey can deceive the potential predators by mimicking distasteful prey, this phenomena is called Mullerian mimicry, no Batesian mimicry, yes. Batesian mimicry is the correct option. Which of following is often considered as freeloader because they are benefited with no expense. Predator, no prey, no host, no parasite, yes. Which of the following statement describes the movement of energy in food chains? Energy is recycled at each trophic level, no. Energy is increased at each trophic level, no. Energy decreases at each trophic level, yes. So third option is right one. All the energy in the food chain originated from plants, no. Herbivores, no. Carnivores, no. Sun, yes. The biggest impacts are made on environment by migration of organisms, no. Predation, no. Competition, no. Human interference, yes. All of the following are included in an organism's niche except its trophic level, no. When it reproduces, no. Humidity and temperature it prefers, no. Its number of chromosomes, yes. Its number of chromosome is right option according to this statement. The organisms with a narrow niche and eat the narrow range of food items is generalists, no. Fundamental, no. Tolerance, no. Specialists, yes. Last one is right. The development of bare land or area that did not have any life from before is called Mcqs, no. Siri, no. Reaction, no. Nudation, yes. First option is right. The most important human activity leading to the extinction of wildlife is pollution of air and water, no. Introduction of alien species, no. Hunting for vulnerable wildlife products, no. Alternation and destruction of natural habitat. Yes, the niche of an animal is it's a den or nest. No. The same as its habitat. No. The number of individual of the species, the environment will support. No. It's only B option is right. And the way the animal fits into its environment. Eltonian pyramid is a pyramid of biomass. No. Density. No. Number. Yes. So pyramid of number is also called Eltonian pyramid. Which of the following animal lives on exposed rocks? Glycera. No. Protodrillis. No. Nerina. No. Blenus. Yes, A is right option. Which of the following animal lives on exposed rocks? Hopefully it's a repeated question. ये question यहाँ पर repeat हो गया है. The flower fly resembles a honeybee, but the flower fly has no stinger. This is an example of cryptic coloration. No. Mullerian mimicry. No. Intraspecific competition. No. Batesian mimicry. Yes, A is right option. Which of the following theory below suggests that reducing or increasing the absence of one species in a community affects the many other species? Integrated hypothesis. No. Individualistic hypothesis. No. Redundancy model. No. Rivet model. Yes, B option, the Rivet model is right one. Organisms that are potentially prey often are camouflaged, and this is called Batesian mimicry. No. Mullerian mimicry. No. Ppsc. Yes, A is right one. Which of the following organisms is incorrectly paired with its trophic level? Cyanobacteria and primary producer. No. Grasshopper primary consumer. No. Eagle tertiary consumer. No. Zooplankton with secondary consumer. Yes, C is right option according to this statement. A relationship in which past competition has resulted such that one of the species experiences little harm is known as commensalism. No. Mutualism. No. Parasitism. No. Immensalism. Yes, B is right option. Which the free swimming marine animals which are essentially independent of water movements are zooplanktons. No. Phytoplanktons. No. Benthos. No. Nectones. Yes, nectones is a correct option. Which of the following is extremely variable community? Tropical rainforest. No. Coral reef. No. Tundra. Yes, A is right one. According to the concept of competitive exclusion, two species can't coexist in the same habitat. No. Extinction or immigration is the only possible results of competitive interactions. No. Intraspecific competition results in the success of the best adapted individuals. No. Two species can't share the same realized niche in a habitat. Yes. Bottom dwelling animals are known as arboreal. No. Abyssal. No. Producers. No. Benthos. Yes. Thank you, friends. Thank you for